Y'all, we got some big news. I'm documenting this motorcycle as it is. It's a 2005 Kawasaki zx6r. It's got 636 cc's. Plenty of stuff broken on it. But the goal is, I don't know, I'm aiming for maybe 2 months' time. Trying to fix every broken little thing and just make it an amazing bike. That's what we're aiming for. So I'm gonna try posting videos, getting this out there, and we'll see the end result. They make a little montage of what it looks like before and after. So yeah, hope y'all stay excited to keep watching. It's got about 26,000 miles. All right, see y'all in the next vid.